it's Amelia bringing you another Microsoft Word video. In this video, you will learn how to quickly and easily format tables using pre-formatted table styles. Let's get started. So what I have done is prepared a document that contains some tables that I have created in a matter of seconds using the pre-formatted table styles. And here's just a few of them that you can create. And at the top, I have a plain table, which would be if you were starting from scratch. So what I'm going to do is, now that I've shown you some of the samples of the pre-formatted tables, I'm going to go ahead and start a new document, and I'll show you how I created all of these tables. I'm going to click Insert in the ribbon, and then select Table. And when I do, one way to create a table would be to just hover over and select the number of rows and columns that you would like in your table. And when you release the mouse, you'll have a quick table with rows and columns, but it's quite plain. So instead, I'm going to hit Control Z to erase that table and go back to the Insert menu and click Table and show you some of the quick tables that are down at the bottom of this drop-down menu. So if I hover over to the right, you're going to see a variety of pre-formatted tables, including calendar styles, and these are handy, but they do not allow you to select the month and the year. They just provide to you a calendar format that you can customize. And then if I scroll down, there's some other handy tables, and the one I'm going to select today is the matrix style, and there's a few others down below, including a 2-column table and a couple other pre-formatted tables with subheadings. So let me go ahead and click on matrix, and instantly you have a table that you can certainly customize, and you can change the color theme if you like. In the Design tab here, this blue themed pre-formatted style is selected, but what you can do is you can click on this up arrow, and there's about 8 rows of different types of color schemes that you can select. What I like is if you hover over any of these and pause just for a moment, you could see the effect in your table design. So if I go ahead and select the down arrow, and once you find one that you like, you can just quickly click and change to that particular style. And it's easy enough to make some other quick changes to your table. So for instance, if you wanted to delete a column, you can do so by just right clicking and then select delete cells, and it will ask you if you want to delete the entire row or column, etc. And I'll just remove that column. And it's also very easy to insert an additional column or row just by positioning the cursor and right clicking, and then click Insert, and you have your choices here. And let's say I want to insert a column to the right, I have an additional column added. That easy. Now I will be posting some additional videos on more ways that you can customize your table. But for now, I'm just going to Control Z and undo that additional column that I've added, and I want to just select one more pre-formatted table just to show you some other varieties. Again, I'm going to click Insert, Table, Quick Tables, and this time I'm going to select the tabular list. And when I do, you could again go up to the Design tab and take a look in there and look through the different styles as well. And again, there's approximately 8 rows of table styles to choose from. So you want to just give a look, and maybe I want something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and select that design. And again, I will be having some additional creating some additional videos to show you, but here's a quick way to just widen the table. So please look for my other videos where I go into a bit more detail on formatting tables, working with rows and columns, and a bit more about table attributes. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.